combination square is one of the handiest measuring and layout tools that anyone who builds can own. You can use it to lay out 90-degree and 45-degree angles. Here are just a few more things it can do. When you need to lay out a line parallel to an edge, just set the square to your measurement, lay the body along the edge, and then use the rule to guide your pencil. The square's rule can also be adjusted to easily make consistent marks at set distances. Because you don't have to make each measurement individually, it's an easy way to avoid measurement errors. If you need to make identical marks on multiple pieces, a combination square can be the perfect solution. Measuring the distance of an offset can be tough with a tape measure, but a combination square makes it easy. With a combination square, you can also accurately set a router bit or saw blade to the correct depth.